Hello everybody, this is Cinnamon and welcome to KEE'S and the Fam. Today I am making, I'm just cutting away. Today guys, I'm making a salad. I'm making a chicken salad with bacon and the eggs and cheese. So right now I'm cutting up my cucumbers. So I'm going to slice my cucumbers up. How did you guys enjoy the different meals that we're doing? How are you guys enjoying the double uploads? It's really been a lot of fun. Closed up with the family. I know Cam though, they're younger, so they like being out and about. But I love the fact of being close to my family. You don't enjoy it, do you, Cam?
No,
it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad.
But I can't lie, I can't wait till we can, take you guys on some trips to the, do our vlogs, outside vlogs and stuff like that. Because we have food literally all over the house. Food is like everywhere. So I'm just cutting up my tomatoes. This knife is dull. I'm just cutting up my tomatoes. I'm not gonna leave them that big, but they will be kind of large because I like my tomatoes large. I was looking at a couple of emails, and a couple of people were saying, why don't I make some survival meals? So that might be something that I'll do for somebody that's, this is their first apartment and they got a few canned goods in the house and they're wondering what can they do with these canned goods. So I have no problem with sharing, because sometimes you don't always want to make those Sunday meals and you just want to make something quick. So I'll show you guys how to do that too. I know a lot of people love they love the canned chili. I'm not a big fan of canned chili. I prefer to make mine homemade, but you can doctor up canned chili when you don't want, a lot of times you can do it too when you want to stretch it. So that's something else you can do. So guys, I'm going to check and see if my grease is hot enough, because I've already seasoned 3 chicken breasts, 3 small chicken breasts. So I'm going to see if this grease is hot enough, and we're going to get this salad put together. So we're going to see if this grease is hot enough, and it appears that it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my eggs out of the way. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put everything off to the side so I can I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm just going to start battering up my chicken breast. They've already been seasoned. You can season however however you choose to. I've already sliced up my onion. I've already sliced up my lettuce. So the only thing I have to do once I get the chicken cooked is the eggs. I gotta slice the eggs, and I'll probably throw some onions in there too. I know my family is not a big fan. They do not like onions. But y'all know Mama Cinnamon do. So we're getting ready to batter this chicken up so we can get this salad put together. So I'm going to move my lettuce out of the way. And I'm going to move my eggs out of the way. So guys, my grease is hot enough. So what we're getting ready to do, we're getting ready to throw these very small chicken breast in there. I probably should have let my grease get a little hotter, but that's okay. That's okay. It's getting there. And for those beginner cooks, please make sure your grease is just a little hotter. And I've actually used this grease like 3 times, so this will be the last time I'm able to use this grease, but it has so much flavor in it. And trust me, when you're cooking chicken, you want to use older grease. So, I'm putting the flour on the chicken. A couple of pieces you know, made them smaller pieces. They look more like chicken tenders than anything, but just trust me, this is getting ready to be delicious. And we're gonna build this salad together. So this is my other piece. And we're gonna bring you guys back when it's time to flip this chicken over. Welcome back, everybody. I'm sorry, I was sitting here talking to Cam and forgot to show you guys when I flipped the chicken. So here's a part of that chicken breast. You see how delicious and crispy that is? Okay, I'm taking it out now. Looks like a chicken tender, don't it? And as you can see, this is a thick piece of chicken. And we're going to slice this. And we're going to put this in our salad. So I'm getting ready to remove the chicken, guys. And we're getting ready to cut up the onions. You all don't want onions, do you? Yeah, okay, we're going to cut up the onions and the bacon bits. And we're getting ready to put this salad together. So follow me over to the counter. Okay, guys, so I have my eggs. I'm just gonna slice my eggs. I'm not gonna make them all small because actually my family like a lot of eggs, so I don't want them to think they have egg soup. So I'm just slicing them. Do you guys want them smaller or this good?
Those are good.
You sure?
Yeah, if you want smaller, you can go.
Because you know, it's all about the family. It's all about y'all.
I know.
What they don't know is we're going on vacation. Oh, Chris and Rayshawn. We have Key and Cam. Oh my goodness.
Yes. It's gonna get litty in the city.
Y'all gonna have a look. Y'all gonna come home to a little brother or sister. And if y'all don't, that means we gotta leave y'all alone. Okay. Woo! Can you say cinnamon can't wait? Cinnamon does pop. Coming to us theater to you.
Okay. You gotta think I'm gonna be in Atlanta, so it's nothing but a lot of young, beautiful ladies out there. Yeah,
okay,
I might come home with a brother, which I would come home with a grandson.
Oh no, that ain't gonna happen.
You know, Cam Jr.
You come home with a baby. That means you stay wherever you made that baby.
Right.
So guys, we have the chicken cut. We're gonna put all the chicken up here. I don't know about your family, but my family love a lot of chicken. And it's crispy. So now I'm getting ready to get a plate and I'm getting ready to put this salad together. When I tell you, your family will love this salad. This is my bacon bits.
I don't want to get close without some ASMR.
Yeah. So these are our bacon bits. And I'm not going to cut them up real small. Just because my family love bacon bits. And I'm not getting ready to sit up here and bake and fry any more bacon. This is all that Cam and Pops is getting. So I'm getting ready to put their salad together. And I'll bring you guys back in 1 second. Let's plate this salad. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to build this salad. This is my lettuce. Okay, so we got tomatoes. And I cut my tomatoes up very big. And I do that because it fills my family up faster.
Like what?
Yeah. So these are my cucumbers. These are these are the eggs. A lot of eggs. Actually, I'm giving them so many eggs, they're gonna have eggs off to the side.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, if you hear typing, Pops was working.
So, I'm going to add my onions. Pops, do you want onions? Okay. So Cam want onions.
Yes, I do.
And I actually cut the onions up pretty big. This is what brings out the flavor. It really do.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to add my chicken.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the chicken is not cut in small pieces. My family have an appetite. And now I'm adding my bacon bits. As you can see, the bacon, it's a lot of bacon, and they're not cut in tiny pieces because this family, like I said, love to eat.
You heard?
So now we're gonna add our cheese. Pops, you want cheese?
Yes, please.
He said cheese, please.
Mom, may you give me cheese, please, please? I said
And
please,
Cam
please.
want cheese, please, 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 please.
Yes.
Cam, you want ranch?
Yeah, I'll take ranch. That's fine.
Okay. So, Pops likes the zesty Italian. That's not his favorite, but that's what he have in the house. So guess what? That's what he gonna use.
What?
And I'm being nice. I'm letting Cam have some of my Hidden Valley. And because I love my family so much, I made extra eggs. And guys, this is a cinnamon salad. Do you hear me? This is a cinnamon salad. This is how cinnamon gets down. And they won't tell me they're hungry in the next 2 hours. This should hold them. And guess what? If it don't, guess what? Then I'll just add another egg. Yep. So this is my salad, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, before I end this video, have you gotten your Epic Empire meet and greet tickets? What are you waiting on? What you waiting on? July 17th? Nope. July 17th, that's what you're waiting on to get your ticket? You're going to be in trouble, because guess what? The sales of the tickets stop on July 8th. So you guys want to get your tickets as soon as possible. And for those of you that do have your tickets, thank you so much. If you can't make it and you choose to just donate to the channel, that's awesome too, because we're going to have giveaways. It's going to be so much fun. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.